say that because me I like saying, ona gothie tukoro andu atwa tembeire nao, including yourself, na thirikari ino nitukinyite handu ngoro yaku ikaiga ndakaru. We want to say and we are going to rectify and we are going to walk with the ways of God na kuringana na aria matuthurire gikeno kiria mangiendire tukorwo tugithi nakio. Okorwo ni maundu ma SHA tutaangalia sisi kama wajumbe wa Kristo, wakisema ni mbaya tunaenda tunaangalia ni wapi pabaya, tunarekebisha tondu andu acio nio matuthurire. Okorwo ni higher education area ya ciana cito cia university tutanamba kuma implement tugacoka tugathi tukaiga we are looking into it. Renda kuganugamite haha SHA niturari na Ivasha, we discussed about it, na kuria guothe kurari na teething problem. I want to promise you all the teething problem nitura iron them out so that it can benefit you.